Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable keyboard clipboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my settings, and in the settings we need to go to the general management menu right here. Just tap on this general management and you are going to go to the Samsung keyboard settings. Okay, and then you have to scroll down until you find the keyboard toolbar, and you have to activate this feature if you want to enable the clipboard on your keyboard. So I'm going to click on the circle button to activate it, and I'm going to check my keyboard. I'm going to go to the search menu. Okay, and then as you can see, this is the clipboard. You just need to tap on this clipboard, and then you will be able to paste text or maybe a link you have copied to your clipboard. I'm just going to click on this one. Okay, now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enable keyboard clipboard on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.